Chapter 1 talks about the desire. The desire is the starting point of all achievement. Not hope, not a wish, but a keen pulsating desire which transcended everything else. The chapter brings the story of an ancient commander burning his ships to eliminate retreat options, illustrating the importance of commitment and determination. The narrative further explores the mindset needed for success, using examples from historical figures like Columbus, Copernicus, and Marconi. The text presents a 6-step method for transforming the desire for wealth into its financial equivalent, involving specific goal setting, planning, and visualization. It underscores that wishing alone is insufficient for attaining riches. A resolute state of mind, strategic planning, and unwavering persistence are essential. The principle of creative visualization is introduced as a technique to envision oneself achieving goals, akin to how athletes visualize success. The concept of the other you is discussed, suggesting that focusing on positive outcomes and cultivating a mindset of success can attract equivalent results. The author outlines 6 steps to achieving your desire, to be applied with the other 12 principles. The method by which desire for riches can be transmuted into its financial equivalent consists of 6 definite and practical steps. 1. Fixing your mind on the exact amount of money you desire. This number cannot be vague, it must be an exact amount. 2. Determine exactly what you will give in return for that money. 3. Establish a definite date that you want to be in possession of the money. 4. Create a definite plan for attaining your desire and begin immediately. 5. Summarize steps 1 to 4 into a clear and concise statement of the amount, deadline, and plan to achieve it. 5. Read this statement aloud twice a day, when you wake up in the morning and once again before you sleep. When reading aloud, you must visualize yourself already in possession of that money. Here is an example of a written statement. By the first day of September, I will have in my possession $250,000, which will come to me in various amounts during the interim. In return for this money, I will give the most efficient service of which I am capable in my capacity as founder of the XYZ startup. I believe that I'll have this money in my possession. My faith is so strong that I can now see this money before my eyes. I am awaiting a plan, and I will follow the plan when it is received. Tailor the written statement to match your own desire and sign your name at the bottom. You will be using this written statement when it comes to the principle of autosuggestion. Overall, the Chapter 1 conveys the idea that a burning desire, coupled with persistence, focused planning, and a resolute mindset, is the key to turning dreams into reality and achieving success. For faster results, check the playlist to listen to the next chapters. We wish you a powerful day. Subscribe for more.